If you're looking for an idea for an online business, there is many options. In e-commerce, you can either go private label or sell through dropshipping. Let's discuss what's the difference and which one is better. My name is Alicia and welcome to the Ali Dropship channel. Today we will discuss two very similar business models, private label and dropshipping. Private label. In a standard business model, products are branded by the company that manufactures them. Even if these products are sold by retailers, the brand stays the same. But in the private label model, a manufacturer sells unbranded products to other companies, which then brand them before selling to consumers. There are only three ways to sell private label products. 1. To manufacture goods by yourself. 2. To buy unbranded goods and put your label on them. And 3. To find a manufacturer who will agree to sell products under your brand. If you compare private label versus dropshipping, you will see they are quite similar. In dropshipping, you have to find a manufacturer who is going to produce goods. Then you have to start promoting these products, and this is all done online. If you manage to get an order, you have to buy the ordered product from the manufacturer and then ask them to send it directly to the customer. As you can see, dropshipping looks very similar to the private label model since you are also reselling goods from another company. However, there is an important difference. The private label model requires that you purchase products before trying to sell them. It means you need a starting capital to buy them and physically store somewhere. But most importantly, there is no guarantee you will be able to sell them all. Now let's compare this to dropshipping. In dropshipping, you don't have to buy goods in bulk. You simply start advertising your website, and only after you get an order, you buy the product and have it shipped directly to the customer. In other words, there is no need to pay for a warehouse, but most importantly, you don't have to risk all your money. Instead, you can invest in different products until you find something that sells well. From a financial and logistical standpoint, when comparing private label versus dropshipping, the latter is much safer. What do you think? Moreover, today you can easily dropship to almost any country with various digital tools. One of them is the Ali Dropship plugin. With this tool, even a newbie can build an online dropshipping store. All you need is WordPress or WooCommerce. The plugin will automate a lot of manual work and make managing your business easier. Learn more about the Ali Dropship with this video. And if you're a beginner, download our free dropshipping guide. It explains everything in great detail. I will leave the link to the guide in the description and in the pinned comment below the video. Although the Ali Dropship plugin is a great software product, it requires building your online store from scratch yourself. If you don't want to spend time setting everything up, you can opt in for a ready-to-go store. You can hire our team to build a store for you based on your preferences. We call these custom stores. You can also consider purchasing a premium store. This is a precise copy of one of our own highly successful stores that is bringing an impressive profit. By purchasing a premium store, you start your own business with a fully developed website, with products and all the site's components. See our full tutorial on premium stores here. Click the links in the description box of this video to learn more about all these options. Visit our blog to learn more about the dropshipping industry and the Ali Dropship plugin. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, ask questions, and leave comments down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!